yesterday?
Yes, yes, sir.
It was conducted either yesterday or on Friday night. Okay. Same rule. You will get 50 seconds to solve the question, and then we will discuss. While discussing, we will learn concept also. Okay. Start. Same rule. Don't speak anything. Please, this is a request. Don't speak anything. Write in the chat box.
No one will
Try to
no
stay
one will speak,
private.
sir. It's my promise. No one will speak.
Okay. So this question says you have a cube, a bigger cube, 9 into 9 into 9. So this is actually a cuboid, but imagine this is a cube. Okay. Just imagine that this is a cube, all sides being 9. This height is 9, this length is 9, and this width is also 9. Now you have to place 5 centimeter cube. It means there is another cube of length 555. Length, width, and height all equal. Okay. So how many cube can you place inside this box? This is the question. So what is the answer? Answer is B. You cannot place more than one. Just imagine, if you try to place two cubes, this 5 plus 5 will become 10, which is not possible because this length is only 9. Okay. If you try to place two cubes, top and bottom, then also, if this is 5 and another one is 4 only, so 5 plus 4. But this, if you want to place two cubes, this height will become 10, which is again not possible. That's why only one cube is possible. So answer is 1. If someone tried this method, 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 5 into 5 into 5, that's wrong. That is completely wrong. Obviously, because 5.8 cannot be the answer. Answer will always be a whole number. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This question you have to solve based on answer options given. If you are smart, you will solve in 5 seconds. Answer is D directly. Based on the option D, 50 into 40 is 2000, which is the area. Area of a rectangle is always L into B. So 50 into 40 is the answer directly. Also perimeter is 2 into L plus B. L plus B is 90 and 90 into 2 is 180. So no discussion on this. Question 3. In this question, Sarthak bought 7 new trading cards to add to his collection. Means already he had some cards. Let's say X. Previously he had X cards and he bought 7 cards to add to his collection. Okay. The next day his dog ate half of his collection. Means half of this is gone. And what is the left? 31. Can you solve for X? So 31 into 2 is 62. So it will be X plus 7 equals 62. So X will be 55. So 55 is the answer. If you have any doubt, write in the chat box. Okay. This is actually question related to permutation and combination, but we'll try to solve this question simple method. So formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. This is a simple formula. N is the number of people. And why n minus 1? Because you cannot shake yourself. If there is one person, there will be zero handshake. If there are two persons, there will be one handshake. If three person, then three handshake. You cannot shake hand with yourself. That's why we multiply by n minus 1. And why divided by 2? So that there is no repeat. No repeat. That's why we divide by 2. So this is the formula for handshake in case of no repeat. For example, let's say there are three persons, A, B, and C. A is shaking hand with B, B is shaking hand with C, and A is shaking hand with B. Now if you say B is also shaking hand with A, this will be repeat, which is not allowed. That's why 3 persons, 3 handshake. Visual representation. Okay, so for question number 4, put this formula n into n minus 1 by 2. You will get B 12. So you will write n into n, sorry, n into n minus 1 by 2 equals 66. This is the formula. So 66 into 2 is 132. 12 into 11 is 132. So answer is 12. N is the answer. N. This N is the number of people. So this is correct answer. This formula, no. If you want to find the sum of first n terms, formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here we are using n into n minus 1 by 2. If you want to find the sum of first n terms, it's n into n plus 1 by 2. I don't know. I don't think you can use this somewhere else also. But there is possibility. We cannot refuse that there is no possibility. There is possibility that we can use this formula somewhere else also. But in case of handshakes, this is the formula, most basic one. This is used. For question number 5, answer is 9. There are total 9 complete circles. See, 1, 2, 3, and this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this bigger circle, this one. So this is ninth one. So there are total 9 circles. Okay. In this question, if you consider, we can approximate word is used in this question. So can we divide this n into 3 parts? Can we say that this is has three parts? This is one part, this is another part, and this is another part. So three parts equals 30 units. So three parts equals 30 units. Okay. How many parts are these? This is one. Again, this is three. So 3 plus 1, 4. And this two parts. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 will be 60 units. So answer is 60 units. And remember, this is approximate, not actual one. Not this part we cannot say is similar to this. It's similar, not same. Answer is approximate. You might have heard the term called RCC, PCC भी सुना होगा बहुत सारे लोग. PCC बनता है. I don't know what is the full form for PCC. Answer for this question is lime. Answer is lime. Sand, cement, and steel. Rod, saria. These three are compulsory thing. Any doubt in this question? Question number 7. Question number 8. Question related to coding and decoding. See, if you decode this, you will understand that this last letter R has become the first letter. This first letter has become the last letter. Can you see this? Last has become first, first has become last. Okay, now start from this side. R, E plus 1 is F. This E plus 1 is F. Again, T plus 1 is U plus 1 is V, P plus 1 is Q, M plus 1 is N, O plus 1 is P, and last one is as it is. Same thing you have to do for medicine. Okay, write medicine. MEDICINE. What is the first thing? First and last letter will be as it is. So this E will come here, M will come at the last. Check options. E से start होके M पे end होने वाला. You have only two options. Okay, either option B or option C. Again, N will become O, I will become J, C will become D, E O J D, E O J D. I will become J, D will become E. Can you match the option now? E O J D J E, E O J D J E. So answer is B. Option B. No, wait. It's same, right? D or B? Now I have confusion. Medicine. N will become O, I will become J, C will become D, I will become J. So EOJ, DG, DG, EOJ, DG. Answer is D, not correct. Answer is option D. Yeah, M you can add. I left 2 3 letters you can add. But in case of coding and decoding, don't solve the full question. Once you see from the option that yes, this pattern is being followed, tick that answer. So don't waste time. If you solve the full question, it will take time, and at the end you are going to get the same answer. See what is the difference between option B and D. EOJD. EOJD. First four letters are same, but fifth letter is different. So you have to solve till fifth letter. After that, you don't need to solve. Okay, if you see this question, you have to write the front view. You have to find out what is the correct front view. If you see this figure from the front, see this is extra part. This part is not there in this figure, so this cannot be the answer. Answer is correct. Answer is C. This is side view. This part is side. If you are seeing from this front, you cannot see the side part. So correct answer is C. In front view, you cannot see the side. You can see only what is visible from the front. Now this side view is given. You have to find what is the isometric view. Isometric means you can see all everything. You can see side view, front view, top view, everything. And what is the method I told? Count the number of surface, you will get the answer. Simple thing. If you see this figure, it has 4 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have not counted this part. Now check options. B, C, and D. All these options have 2 surfaces only. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the only figure with 4 surfaces. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. Count the number of surfaces, you will get the answer. Can you see 2 different triangles, same thing? It's not triangle actually, this is solid figure. Easy one, very easy question. Truncated. Anything can be truncated if it is cut in between. Not exactly at the middle part. It can be cut at this part also or this part also, but complete cut. That is called truncated. So this is truncated cone. This is not complete cut. This is partial cut. Truncated means complete cut. You cut some figure. No, we don't use the word truncated if cut vertically. If it is cut vertically, we call it slice in between. We don't use the term truncated. So truncated term is used only when cut like this horizontally. You can cut it vertically also. In last question paper, we had one question where one figure was cut vertically, I think. Octahedron. First, you have to understand what is octahedron. So I will show you the figure. This is octahedron. This is called octahedron. 8 surfaces or 8 faces is fixed because name itself says octa. Octa means 8. So 6, 12 वाले ऑप्शन तो हो ही नहीं सकते. Octahedron, 8 faces. And how many edges you can count? 6 edges can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 edges you are completely visible. And 4 edges are behind this. So 8 plus 4, 12 edges. So answer is option D. 8 faces, 12 edges. It's like bring two pyramid, two rectangular or square pyramid, and join in between. Join at the base. If you join two square pyramid or rectangular pyramid, you will get the head. Edges. This is called edge. This thing is called edge. This is called edge. This is called edge. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 are completely visible. 4 edges can you see? 1, 2, 3, and this one 4. So 8 plus 4, 12. Pyramid, bring one pyramid, take one pyramid, and take another pyramid and join at the base. You will get octahedron. Easy question. Question number 13. Answer is A. Option A is the answer. Not only this assembly hall and high court, this entire city was designed by this person. So whenever you get question related to Chandigarh, this is the answer. Entire city was designed by this person. And question of 14, answer is Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is huge temple in Cambodia. See, earlier it was Hindu temple and 11th century was Hindu temple. Later it was converted to Buddhist. Okay. So this is the largest temple. Am I not audible? Now audio is breaking. There is no problem with internet connection. Okay, let's see. Next question. Question number 15. Answer I told. It's Angkor Wat, then option A, option C. Question number 15 you have to solve now. Granite is a dash rock. What is granite? This is the answer. Granite is igneous rock. Learn something about gypsum also, because they can ask you gypsum, granite, types of stone and all that is required. Granite is a igneous rock. Something written about this. Granite is an intrusive igneous rock with large grains, minerals easily seen by eye. Color is most commonly pink. They can ask you, what is the common color of granite? It's pink, white, variations of gray and black. Yes, this question. Actually, it has one more options. 5 circles. The development of lateral surfaces of a pentagonal pyramid. So you have to understand what does lateral mean. Lateral surfaces. Lateral means wall, sides wala surface. Lateral means exclude base or bottom part. Exclude base or top, whatever is left, that is lateral. Answer is 5 triangles. Can you see in this figure? Triangle, triangle. So all those sides are made up of triangles. Once this session ends, you have to rejoin the same link. Okay? Once this session gets over, rejoin the same link. Top view is given. You have to tell what to tell. I have 2D top view. This is 3D. You have to tell what is the 2D top view. Gypsum is also a rock. Who told you gypsum is not a rock?